Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use credits on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Doordash, so once you have logged into your Doordash account here, so when you get to your accounts tab here, and then when you get to under account, if you go to your payment methods, so under payment methods, you'll be able to see your Doordash credits. So if you've received a credit from Doordash for any reason at all, so what happens here, it will be visible here. See, the amount will be visible here. Like mine at the moment is 0 because I don't have any credits from Doordash. But if you have any credits, then it will be visible here. And then to use it, what you have to do, you literally don't have to do anything in order to use it. What happens is that it will automatically be applied to your account. So whenever you make an order, what happens is that when your credits, your Doordash credit will be automatically added to your order, and then your final amount will be the amount that you need to be paid after deducting the credits. So if you have more credits, then whatever credits you have, it will automatically be added to your checkout, and then you will see that on your final checkout page when you actually check out with an order. So that's pretty much it. You don't really have to do anything, as it will be automatically added to your checkout. So that's pretty much it. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.